faith is a love, and I give thanks for the fullness within the firmaments. His golden days and blossoming nights, His gently hands made I man, son of Him. Life was divided in sweet harmony. Come it, woman and children, are we a warrior? Are we a warrior? Oh Cupid, it's stupid. Let not your arrow from your bow, love. Faith is the mountains, so silent and filled, fountains of waters. For us, all His loving creatures, He gave us wisdom and knowledge. Understand His love. Do we have to have a war? Are we a warrior? Love. Are we a warrior? Are we a warrior? Oh, Cupid, it's too bad. Let not your arrow from your bow, so hold it low and never let it go. What cause you have a pistol in your hands, Lord? Is it for to shut the man down dead? Do we have to have a storm, Lord? Why can't we become like a lamb? Lord, Lord, it's not only when there's a small confusion, it is a war. There are other ways as well, sometimes being confused within your own head, because at times odds get heavier than lead. Are we a warrior? Are we a warrior? Are we a warrior? Oh, Cupid, it's too bad. Let not the Son of Man won't take heed, the earth is giving up. While life is taken in a sudden shock, the crying of the people multiplying all over. Jah will give an answer to every